Observing the disparity in architecture and service, Team Javelin came together to use Solar Decathlon India as an opportunity to serve the marginalized community of on site construction workers with a better standard of living while striving for resource efficiency and well being. Common difficulties such as poor planning and assembly, non compatible materials, inadequate spaces, improper maintenance, and rapidly deteriorating facilities due to overcrowding were emphasized in research and background studies about the condition of worker colonies. These spaces might be cheap, but they still utilize material, land, and effort. Just the lack of optimization creates unhealthy outcomes, negatively affecting the health, well being, and work efficiency of the workers. The identified issues, along with a net zero approach, led to the formulation of these goals. However, to fulfill them, we had some set parameters of space, cost, and resources. We decided to use these set constraints as tools for design. The approach was thus to find optimum solutions that address multiple problems simultaneously. The genesis of the design is a simple 3 by 3 by 3.6 structural unit that is repeated. A G+2 stacking of 3 by 9 and 3 by 6 meters of this module minimizes footprint while optimizing circulation. Further, mass is subtracted strategically to create voids which aid in circulation of air, creating a cooler microclimate. At the same time, they serve as spill-out spaces for the daily activities of the workers in the module, also becoming nodes for interaction. At the interior level, problems of storage and free circulation were addressed via the idea of cantilevered shelves that hang out on either side of the window. These storage units also act as fins. The material that forms the envelope is the eco-friendly Ricron sheets made up of recycled plastic that are more durable, fire and waterproof, and cost-effective than their contemporaries. The passive earning of thermal comfort and ventilation reduces the energy demand by nearly 52% and creates a lively and comfortable environment. Right from the module to the stacking and composition configurations, all of these are flexible as per different users and sites. This makes the proposal scalable not only across MMR but beyond the state as well. The kitchen and dining block is designed in a similar steel structure with north light trusses creating actively ventilated spaces for cooking, dining and congregation. The 18-degree inclination of the north light truss faces south and is utilized to accommodate solar panels as a clean and independent source of energy for the colony. 175 solar panels on the roof produce 16% more energy than required, creating a net positive energy performance for the project. Toilet waste treatment utilizes biodigester tanks which are modular, maintenance-free, energy-free, eco-friendly compact solution for sewage treatment. The effluent released from these tanks is 100% solid waste-free, treatable water that can be reused. These tanks are coupled with a root zone treatment system that recycles nearly 84% of the water consumed. The rainwater harvesting system enables harvesting 100% rainwater. Through all these measures, we have been able to achieve a 97.3 net zero water cycle. The overall master plan segregates living, congregation and sanitation areas with landscape buffers and permeable boundaries and changes the facet of a worker colony from an informal growth to an optimally organized, resource-efficient, lively community living space.